Hi students, welcome to second year accountancy class. Let us begin with our partnership accounts. In my previous class I have explained about accounting for not-for-profit organizations. In that chapter we have learnt about differences between income and expenditure account, receipts and payments account. Then we have learnt about accounting treatment of very important terms like subscriptions, honorarium, legacy, etc. So now after completion of third chapter, let us move to chapter 4, partnership accounts. As you know, it is a very big chapter. Already you might have done some problems from this chapter. Okay, partnership accounts. In this you know that we have got again two concepts. One is admission of a partner, second is retirement of a partner. Okay, whether you go for admission of a partner or retirement of a partner, let us recall what are the various accounts you have to prepare as part of partnership accounts. In case of admission of a partner, first you will be preparing revaluation account, second cash account, third goodwill account, fourth capital accounts of partners, the last balance sheet. Okay. So what is revaluation account, how cash account is to be prepared, what are the various postings we make into the respective accounts, goodwill account, capital accounts of all partners. Then balance sheet, you might have already learnt or say going through the videos of other faculty. In case of retirement also we will be doing the same, but in place of cash account we prepare general reserve account. Remaining are same. 1, 3, 4, 5 are same. In place of 2, instead of preparing cash account, we prepare general reserve account. Clear? So this will carry 20 marks. Sometimes the examiner may ask you journal entries also. Okay, before going to the accounting part of partnership, as already we have learnt what is partnership in first year. Let us recall and understand what exactly a partnership is and how it comes into existence, how partnership begins, why do we need to prepare all these accounts. Let us understand. As you know, in first year you have learnt about features, merits and demerits of partnership. Again it is just a recap of that. See, first one is agreement, because if you understand this theoretical aspect thoroughly, then accounting will become very easy. How to share profits and losses, why should we share, how does that partnership comes into existence, we need to understand. First is agreement. See, in order to start any partnership business, we require agreement among the partners. This agreement may be oral or written. It is also called as partnership deed. What is a partnership deed and what are its contents? We will learn in the next class. So, partnership agreement is required. Clear, ma? So, agreement means it is understanding between all the partners about how much capital is to be contributed by each partner, what will be the responsibility of partner, what will be their duties, their names, addresses. So they should come to a common understanding. which type of business is to be started, where it should be located, how the profits and losses are going to be shared between the partners. All that we have to write some agreement. So what are the various contents of that agreement? We discuss in the next class. Then whenever we enter into the agreement, what we have to do? Why partnership is started? Always remember that partnership is started to carry out a lawful business. Business or say lawful business means always you have to perform some legal activities, not illegal activities. A partner, the number of people are associated or say a partnership firm is formed to carry out certain legal activities. Means any business you can perform, but which is accepted by law. You cannot say that we have formed a partnership firm and we make AK-47s, we make bombs. Means that is not accepted, because it is making of weapons is illegal. You cannot say that we have formed a partnership and we smuggle the drugs. No, it is not accepted, because smuggling of drugs is a illegal activity. You cannot do that. So what you have to do? Either you go for manufacturing of goods or distribution of goods or some services which is accepted by the law. So always the business what you form must be a legal one. Then profit sharing. Okay, as you all know that any business is carried out with an intention of earning profits. Any business in the world is carried out with an intention of earning profits. So these partners have to mention in what ratio they are going to share the profits and losses. Okay, in this agreement they will mention. Generally partners share profits according to the capital contribution or sometimes according to their contribution to the success of the business, sometimes equally. Okay, so the profit or loss sharing will be mentioned in the agreement. Remember that if agreement is silent about profit or loss ratio, then we have to assume that the partners are going to share profits and losses in the equal manner. Then management. Okay, so what do you mean by management? Performing different activities of the business organization in order to earn profit. So you need to recruit employees, you have to assign job, you have to sell goods, you have to purchase material. So various activities are to be carried out in a business organization. Who has to do this? Who should take the responsibility of ordering and accountability, preparation of accounts, etc. Remember that all partners can participate in the management. Sometimes only few partners will take the responsibility of managing the business on behalf of others also, for which they will be paid some extra salary or commission. Okay, so they are called as active partners. So like that, all partners or only few partners on behalf of others will carry out the business activities and they prepare the accounts, and that will be, and every partner has got the right to inspect the books of accounts anytime. Next, association of persons means partnership is the combination of people. Okay, it is not established, it doesn't come into force by single person. Remember that for any partnership business, minimum number of members are 2, and in case of banking, the maximum must be 10. Okay, this is minimum 2, maximum in case of banking it is 10, and in case of non-banking business minimum 2, maximum 20. So this many people can be allowed as partners. You cannot take 30-40 members as partners. Remember this point. Okay, so minimum 2 members are required for any partnership firm. Maximum number of partners are 10 in case of banking. This is maximum. Okay, in case of non-banking business, you can have max 20 partners. You cannot take 21, 22, 23 partners. 2 to 20 means you can have 10 partners, you can have 12, you can have 13, maximum 20. Here 2 to 10 means you can have 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 up to 10. It is not compulsory that always you should have maximum numbers. In between these limits, you can have that many number of partners. Then unlimited liability. This is a very important feature of partnership. Unlimited liability means a partner has to sacrifice his private property also in order to clear the loans raised for the business. For example, you have borrowed 10 lakhs from Andhra Bank for business. Okay, you have taken loan of 10 lakhs from Andhra Bank. But after certain number of years, unfortunately, you have to sell off your business. You have closed down your business. Now, your business property is not sufficient to clear this loan of 10 lakhs. You could get only 5 lakhs from business. Still, you have to pay 5 lakhs. So, what the partners have to do? They have to sacrifice. They have to sell off their private property, household property, whatever they have got, house site or valuables, jewelry at their residence, that they have to sell off and clear the business loan. That means, in order to clear the loans taken for the business purpose, or to be cleared from private property also, if business property is not sufficient to pay off the loans. That is the meaning of unlimited liability. Already first year we have learnt a lot. In case of sole trading, partnership firm, joint in the family karta, we have got all unlimited liability. Means in the event of losses, if you are closing the business and you have to clear the loans taken for the business, if you sell off the business property, if that is not sufficient, the partners have to sell off their household property also. That means whatever the valuables they have got at home, maybe furniture, maybe jewelry, okay, their personal amount, that they have to bring and clear the business loans. So it is very dangerous. That is the reason all these non-corporate business units like sole trading, partnership are to be managed with the utmost care and cautious. Otherwise, there is a danger of losing your personal property also, private property also. These are the features of partnership. So based on this, the partners will enter into agreement and they start the business. Then we have got admission of a partner. What is the meaning of admission of a partner? Say initially A and B are the partners. Say A and B were the partners. In the year say 2010, A and B have started the firm by investing. Say A has invested 3 lakhs and B has invested 2 lakhs. So total capital was 5 lakhs rupees. With that they have started the business. But after certain number of years, they thought that in the year 2016 or 14, this capital is not sufficient. Let us join one more partner, C. This is called admission of a partner. So Mr. C may enter into the firm by paying a capital of 1 lakh rupees or 5 lakhs or whatever it may be. So when the capital is not sufficient or when the management is not proper, in order to increase the efficiency of the management of a partnership firm or in order to increase the capital of the firm, we admit the new partner, third partner. So that is what called as admission of a partner. Clear? Retirement of a partner means from the existing number of members, one partner will leave away. Say for example, A, B, C were the partners in a firm. After running the business for a certain number of years, B may leave the firm or A may leave the firm, C may leave the firm. That is called as retirement of a partner. That already you might have done the problems or maybe doing. So in the next classes, we will learn about partnership agreement and its contents.